Well, I had to do a project today. I'm going to get out there and do some welding in the shop. And I was looking for a lens for my welding mask. Went to the hardware store, Lordco, Napa. Didn't have the size I wanted for my welding mask. So, what are we going to do to make this? I'll tell you in a minute. Alright, well, anyways, tell you what I got. This is what I got, a package of lenses. They're Miller. They're a little bit bigger. The 5-pack was pretty cheap. Those are the size there. Well, couldn't find what I wanted. Little town doesn't have much. You order it in from Amazon or whatever. So anyway, here's the original lens off the mask of my welding helmet, auto tint. And take that sheet there and trace it out, and then cut a new piece of glass. So there you go. Voila. It's bush, but it works and it's better than the original because the original one is screwed, it's all smudged and burnt and everything. But new one, nice. So, for $20 some, I got myself a 5-pack of lenses. So I can cut down and make lenses there for the welding mask. Then I can see what the hell I'm doing. And there we go. Anyways, little tech tip: if you're in a pinch or you can't find lenses for your welding helmet, just buy them a little bit bigger. And you don't want to use regular plexiglass or any kind of other plastic because it might not work. It might burn right through. These are specially made for welding helmets. And if you have a smaller lens helmet too, smaller view, you just cut them to length. No problem. You have lots of stuff here to do that. Anyways, alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.